on? It's your boy General 315 back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Jordan 11 Concord joint from my man Trader Joe's. He sent these over for me to really do a comparison because I have a dead stock pair of these, and a lot of people know that I have a dead stock pair of these. I do want to do a comparison video of these joints just to kind of give you guys an idea of, you know, some similarities and maybe some small differences between these different batches of shoes that we get. But before I start into all of that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I think this one will be interesting. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I try to post as much as I can. I'm a little busy recently, but I will keep posting. I will keep trying to throw some stuff out there. And make sure you guys follow me on the Discord. Go ahead and join our Discord, General 315's Bunker. We up there trying to help people get shoes, buy, sell, trade, all types of things. This is a UA shoe. I love retails, I love UAs, but mainly we just do shoes. You know what I mean? And really what the Discord is about is just kind of like building a community so we can all enjoy our shoes together. But this one from Trader Joe's is a UA shoe. It's an unauthorized joint. It's not the retail. If you want the retail, you can go on StockX and GOAT. I'll put the prices on the screen for you. You know this is an iconic shoe. It's MJ. You know what I'm saying? This is the essence of MJ. So the main thing is StockX and GOAT, there's the prices. But if you want to go an alternative route, this is the quality that you can possibly get. My reviews are for educational purposes. I just want to put that out there. I'm really just kind of showing you guys what the similarities and differences are between these shoes, and then, you know, kind of move on from there. All right, so I want to show you guys my retail joint. So this is the retail shoe. This is our retail. It's a dead stock retail pair. If anyone has this shoe, they already know what to look for, okay? You already know what to look for. You got the black patent leather, you got the leather on the heel, and you got the ballistic mesh, you got a little Concord Jumpman there, and then you got your Concord hits on the bottom. And as you can see, this is truly dead stock. I have never worn these. We got a small little bit of oxidation, but that's about it. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna leave that here and bring back one of the UA shoes. So this is the UA. Okay, so as you can see, it looks a little newer, right? It looks a little newer. Now, we're gonna be playing with the light a little bit because it's blowing out the light. So I'm gonna move it back, try and move it back a little bit. So here is our UA shoe, and our UA shoe is essentially the same. In terms of quality, you know, it's hard, right? You can't say that this is 100% accurate, because I don't think it's 100% accurate, but I do think that it is damn close. I mean, I'm talking 99% accurate. I mean, maybe 99.9% accurate, because the differences that you might see might be a couple flaws with, like, maybe cutting the leather or a stitch mark or something like that. But I'm just gonna scan through the shoe, you know what I mean? Here is our toe box, which looks very nice. You know, you got your black patent leather. You know, you got the icy blue outsole right there. See, definitely looks newer than the other. The purple looks good, or the Concord, that looks good. Even down to the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber looks good. I guess I'll just point some differences out. The 45, now our retail is right here. The 45, it does look the same. However, the 45 on the retail is slightly thicker. You barely can tell, but it's slightly thicker. It's not 100%. So there's that. Our Jumpman's got a retail right here on the right still, and they look pretty close. I mean, this not really much that you can really pick on there. In terms of the grain of the leather on the heel, retail's leather, soft. You got some grain there. And then, I mean, I can't lie, it kind of feels the same, y'all. It feels the same. This leather feels very similar to this leather. Sticking with our retail on the right, we got some stuff here. I mean, it looks similar, you know, it looks kind of similar. There's our UA Jumpman, and there's our retail Jumpman. So is it different? I mean, you know, it's hard to tell. You know, when you it's hard. It's really, really hard to tell. You know what I'm saying? You can pick and choose. Ultimately, it's tough. It's tough. It's a really, really tough sell. You know what I mean? Medial side of the shoe, I mean, this is our retail, and this is our UA, which also looks, I mean, it looks very, very similar, if not the same. The misconception that retails don't have these little hits right here, these little guys, false. This is a retail shoe, and he's there. It's also here. You can see it. And the UA, same. It's there, and it is also there. I mean, they really replicated this shoe almost to a T. Like, it's damn near perfect. I'm just trying to show y'all. Retail shoe tree, UA shoe tree. Now, they both feel the same. Are they the same color? I really can't tell if these are the same color or not. And on the camera, it really doesn't do it any justice. They look the same to me. They both got the little sparkles in them. I think maybe this one has more sparkles in it. The retail one has a little bit more sparkles in it than this one, but I can see the sparkles in both. I just think that the retail one has a little bit more sparkles in it. So yeah, you know, that's pretty much the comparison. I was trying not to do too much because I can make the video super long, and I don't want to make it super long. But you know, you really gotta be careful getting your shoes if you're a retail purchaser. But if you're a UA, this is like a dream come true. You got a perfect shoe. You know that there's really no flaws on it, and you can just rock it. You get it for a decent price, whatever you do, right? I mean, if I had to rate this one on a scale of 1 to 10, you guys saw the similarities. Like, this thing is pretty perfect. So I gotta go with a 10. I have to go with a 10. It would be foolish of me not to go with a 10 after showing you how similar it is. You really have to be some type of Sherlock Holmes type to even go that route to figure out how many microns a measurement is off to see that this is a different shoe. Above all that, that was the review. You know, that was kind of the comparison. It's so close. It's so close. So, I mean, if you're a UA buyer, this might be the way to go for you. If you're a retail guy, go to StockX and go. That's the review. So let's jump into this on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Make sure you join the Discord, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. All right, y'all. What's good? What's good? It's your boy General. I'm back out here at the trail. We got a lot of work to do. I've been absent. I got 4 videos to do today. I got 4. Let's jump into it. All right, y'all. So I ended up bringing both pairs out here. I brought the retail pair right here. As you can see, it's real sunny, so it might be blowing out the camera a little bit. And it's a little windy out here, so it might be a little noise. I'm sorry about that. But here's the retail pair right here. And here is the UA pair from Trader Joe's. All right, my bad, y'all. I had to fix the lighting. The lighting was kind of crazy right there. I had to, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, the patent leather on this joint. The patent leather right here is a little thinner than on the retail pair. As you can see here, you got a little bit thicker of a patent leather right there than you do on the UA pair. And I don't know if you guys can see that, you know, right there, but this is the retail, and it's a little thicker than the UA. But I mean, honestly, does it really bother me? Nah, not really. Everything else though, everything else checks out. And as you can see, this is still dead stocked. I never wore it yet. And this one I've been wearing, and it's got a little dirt on it. Let's jump into this on foot. Make sure y'all join the Discord. Ah, man, we got like 3 more shoes to review. Y'all, I gotta do on foot, so like 3 more shoes. This is crazy. Ow. So review was done. We did these joints, Concord 11s versus the retail. You got the UA versus the retail done. You guys saw the comparison. Y'all tell me what y'all think. A lot of y'all couldn't even tell which one was the real one on my Instagram when I posted the picture. So after seeing the video now, tell me what y'all think.